Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we've got something that might just give your computer a boost in performance: the Silicon Power DDR3 16GB RAM module. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is like the brain of your computer. It plays a crucial role in how fast your computer can process data, making it a key component for smooth performance. Some text goes here now. What sets this Silicon Power RAM module apart? Well, it's all about efficiency. This module operates at a lower voltage of just 1.35 volts, which is 20% lower than standard DDR3 RAM. That means it can effectively reduce hardware power consumption. If you're looking to upgrade your computer's performance, this RAM module is an excellent choice. It's ideal for tasks like virtualization, cloud computing, and handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Plus, it's been 100% factory tested for stability, durability, and compatibility. Speaking of durability, Silicon Power takes it seriously. This DDR3 16GB RAM module is rigorously tested to ensure it can withstand the demands of modern computing. It's all about delivering a stable and reliable performance. Now, let's talk compatibility. This RAM module is compatible with major DDR3L and DDR3 motherboards. So, whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your existing one, chances are it'll work seamlessly. Here's the icing on the cake. This Silicon Power DDR3L UDIMM is backed by a lifetime warranty. That means you get complete peace of mind, knowing that you're covered with excellent service and technical support. Before we wrap up, let's glance at the technical details. It's a 16GB DDR3 module with a memory speed of 1600 MHz. The lower voltage not only saves power but also helps keep things running cool. If you're wondering about the size, it's compact and fits perfectly into your motherboard. The package dimensions are 5.98 by 3.98 by 0.55 inches, so it won't take up much space inside your computer case. To sum it up, the Silicon Power DDR3 16GB RAM module is your ticket to a faster, more efficient computer. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or just want a snappier PC, this RAM module can make a significant difference. If you found this review helpful and are ready to supercharge your computer's performance, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights.